Hello guys, welcome back. This is your faculty Sudarshan from Hari Academy CACS CMA. This is an introduction video for CMA Foundation exclusively for paper number 3, Fundamentals of Business Mathematics and Fundamentals of Business Statistics. You know, this paper is an 100 marks paper. It is an completely an MCQ based paper. Okay, it is an MCQ based paper. You will get 50 questions. For each question, you will get 2 marks. So total, it will be 100 marks. Okay. Here, I have deeply analyzed the past question papers and I find out the average of that paper and I am presenting you. What is this 8? What is this 10? What is this 2? It's something here they are given the weightage. It means for 40 percentage, they need to test you 20 marks. That is 20 questions they need to test you. So that only this 40 percentage, that is 40 marks will come. For that, they need to ask 20 questions over here. And for business math statistics, they need to ask 30 questions. Will they ask the exact numbers? Yes, they have asked the exact numbers. From arithmetic, it is comprised of different chapters, but in arithmetic module number 1, they have tested 8 questions. And then for algebra, they have tested 10 questions. In calculus, they have simply tested you only 2 questions. As far as statistics is concerned, statistical representation of data, they have tested you 4 questions. Measures of central tendency, 6 questions. Correlation, 7 questions. Probability, 9 questions. Index number, 4 questions. But what actually should be done? For this, they need to ask you 2 questions. For this, they need to ask you 7 or 8 questions. For correlation and regression, 7 or 8 questions. Probability, 7 or 8 questions they need to be tested. They can interchange and ask you on these 3 topics. So you need to make sure you are prepare well on that module number 5, module number 6 and module number 7. Next, from index number and time series, they need to ask you only 5, but they have tested actually only 4. Need to ask is 5, but they actually tested you is 4. As far as calculus is concerned, they need to ask you 2 to 3. Here 10 to 12, 11 they may ask you. Here you may tell you 7 to 8 questions they may test you. Most probably mathematics, they strictly follow whatever the pattern, but the statistics, the weightage they have not yet followed. From here onwards, what you need to make sure, don't rely on that weightage part. Rely on the conceptual clarity. Sometimes they may ask you from measures of central tendency, 10 questions also possible. There is a huge vacuum. There is a lot of concepts to be tested in measures of central tendency and dispersion. So you need to make sure the preparation should be in the right way. Follow the whatever the study plan, whatever the study strategy has been provided by me. Okay, follow that track. Trust the process. Trust the faculty. You can easily succeed in this CMA Foundation. CMA Foundation, I will make sure this paper is going to be an MCQ, right? For this, I am going to provide you n number of shortcuts, n number of calculated tricks. You can solve a sum within a matter of 5 to 10 seconds sums, 10 to 20 seconds category, 30 to 35 seconds category, 45 seconds category sum is there. 1 minute time taking sum is also be there. We make sure we are targeting this paper, and I am assured you 60 plus is guaranteed in this paper if you follow our right strategy. Even I will bet you with 90 plus is also possible in this paper. Don't laugh by watching this video. Just based on the past records what we have provided, 80 plus is easily you can score it in this paper. Now we will deeply dive into the category. They have tested you 8 questions, right? On that 8 question, ratio, proportion and variation will be of 3 questions. Time value of simple interest and compound interest, they have only tested you two questions. Arithmetic progression, geometric progression will be a 2 question. Time and distance will be 1 question they have tested. In case of algebra, it is divided into 4 chapters: set theory and Venn diagram, indices and logarithms, permutation and combination, and quadratic equation, comprises of 2, 3, 3, 2. This is the past average questions they have tested you. Don't depend solely on this. Okay, just for your boosting purpose or give you a confidence, I'm telling you. Module number 3, calculus and applications in economics, business economics. That is 3.1 and 3.2. That's only 2 points which they have tested. They have not even tested from optimization techniques. Next, as far as business statistics is concerned, you are divided into 4 modules. First module will be a statistical representation of data. Second module will be a measures of central tendency and dispersion. Third module will be correlation and regression. And fourth module will be probability. And one more topic will also be there. That is your index number and the time series. Total 5 modules will be there. So based on that statistical representation of data, they have asked you 4 questions. Okay, that 4 questions from diagrammatic representation of data and graphical representations of a frequency distribution. These 2 areas they have tested you. For measures of central tendency, they have tested you 6 questions. The mean, median, and mode plays a major role from 3 marks. Range, quartile, and quartile deviation will have 1 mark. Standard deviation will have 1 mark. Correl Pearson's or Bowley's coefficient of skewness will be for 1 mark. And correlation and regression, they have tested you for 7 marks. From a scatter diagram theory based question, 1 question they have tested. Correl Pearson's and coefficient of correlation they have tested 3. And regression analysis they have tested 3. You need to more focus on 6.3 category. That is a very crucial and most important area. Probability, that is your module number 7. Module number 7, the concept, based on the concepts and primary application put together. I don't want to bifurcate it, or put together they are asked you 9 questions, so that your full focus should be 100% focus will be on probability. Then module number 8, index number and the time series. In time series, basically there is no more in time series. That is basically 1 question can be tested. Maximum cases 2 questions can be tested. In index number, there may be a probability to test you from 3 marks, 3 questions to 4 questions. Okay, so method of index number is also quite easy. We will easily solve within a calculator. And I will also tell you that you will not only solve CMA study material question. Okay, along with that, I will add few moderate question and some tough questions which is from CA Foundation. Okay, in CA Foundation as well, we have included few questions that will also be given to you in form of worksheets. Okay, chapter wise worksheet. 7.1 you will get 1 worksheet. 8.1 you will get 1 worksheet. 8.2 you will get 1 worksheet. That worksheet comprises of 10 numerical questions. Okay, 10 numerical questions will be there. You can solve after watching that particular part of the video. For example, 6.1, there is not having a vacuum to create a question for scatter diagram for 10 MCQs. So on that you may get slight lower MCQs, or it will be along with 6.2, you may get 20 MCQs as a single worksheet. Okay, you need to solve the worksheet and then come back and find out the answers. We will also upload the answers. This worksheet, everything will be a soft copy. You can only view it in the app, or you can only view it in our website. That's the only 2 things you can do. You cannot able to download it. You cannot able to transfer it. Due to our security purpose, we are restricting that as well. Then after everything is over, you will going to write a chapter wise test series. A chapter wise test series will be comprises of 20 MCQs. Okay, 20 MCQs will be there. It is also something like for 6.1, 6.2, 6.3 will be a separate test series will also be there. Okay, so we will provide you concept notes. We will provide you with I say study material, important markings of that subject, important underlying keywords, MCQs, everything will be there. And then I will provide you with the worksheets and then test series. You can approach me at any time through my WhatsApp. This is my WhatsApp number 9043971982. It's my WhatsApp number. You can WhatsApp me at any time. Okay, you can WhatsApp me and get solved your doubts. Okay, that's it from my end. All the best for your preparation. We will start soon with our statistics part first, and then we will move on to our business mathematics part. The statistics part, our first chapter will be statistical representation of data. Prepare with this basic, what is there, ABC analysis, everything, keep it in a structure. What is we are going to learn, everything. We'll start our next session with the very new chapter, with the signing off of Sudarshan. Have a great day, guys.